Hi guys, welcome back to Near Edge. If you are new here, please do follow and subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update. Now start the video here. So in this video, we're gonna cover up what is method. So basically, this is an introduction video. What is methods? Method is a part of the function, or you can some people call it as a function, or it is a part of a code used to used in the Java program. So basically, method is used in Java to make your program shorter or easy to readable. And in this class, uh, we use this public method as the main method. So for example, if I have another method like that is public static void near edge, for example, something like that, and we do like this and this. For example, let's I am making it bigger. Now you will see how very well. So right now what I have done, if you want to zoom in zoom out, then you have to press control plus and control minus. This is something you can do. So for example, if you want to print something in your method, you can call it by another method. And for example, let's you have system dot out dot print line. Here for example, need edge YouTube channel. For example, if you want to print something like that, you have to call this method in your main method, and you have to just copy it right here, and you just click over here, and by this type or by this thing, oh, we have alright something wrong. System dot out. Now if you wanna call this from this method, you have just to mention this method name in your main method, and you can call it. For example, let's try and run. Near edge channel, you can see, and something like that. If you want to print this 5 times or 7 times, you have just what you have to do, you have to just print it as 5 times, and it will print 5 times or 6 times, however you want to return, however you want to print. This is the shorter way to print this method, or making it as a short program. And for example, if you wanna print this line file too many times, you can also print like this, and let's save it and let's see the result. This you can see here it is printing 5 times here and 5 times here. Total it can be 11 times. So for example, if you wanna print this in your main method, and this becomes a very lengthy program to read out, because every time you want to print 5 lines of this type of program, you are just making it like here, and it is becoming a lengthy program. So to avoid this, we just can call our sub method, and it can print out our whole code with just by naming method. So that this is used to print this method. If you want to print something like more and more, and like you can print something like that without that longer program. So this is here, this is the way of using main method. So in this in this method, why we use public stat, these are the access modifier. And what is the meaning of public keyword used that it can access from anywhere inside and outside of the class, and static keyword used where it is in that is a static keyword is used in Java to create a variable or a dependency of the variable as something like that. And now we have void returns the zero value, that void returns zero value, that is null. And we can name it any method. For example, we can name it near edge, whatever you want to return, whatever you want to mention. So this is how we can use a method in Java, and it is the easiest way of making a program shorter. So you can call it just by name of your method in your main method. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like this, please do follow and subscribe. Thank you so much.